Akala namin ngayon ang ang parade. Ngayon ay Sunday. Kahapon pala. Kaya pala maluwag dito sa downtown. Yung pala ay kahapon. Akala ko kasi ngayon ay 29. Kaya oo nga, ini. Yan, may train doon ta. Hindi kami ngayon iikot na lang din sa downtown. Kasi nandito na rin kami. Ito ang Rainbow Bridge, ganun yung tawag daw dito. Turning trains. Oh, galing iniikot pabalik siguro. From 1856 to 1971, Folsom was a railroad town. Galing. Ikot tayo. Kaya pala maluag ngayon. Yung sinating pipicturean sila doon. Ito yung dating rail, train tracks. Ngayon yung ginawa ng restaurant na rin. Ayos din. Ha? Ay, mga events Siguro masaya dito kahapon, no? Oh well. Sacramento Valley Railroad. Bukas kaya rin, honey? Para museum to. Free admission. Yan natin to. Tara din lumang train cabin, sarado. Folsom Handcar Derby. Folsom Railroad Museum. Sayang, sarado Dito sila parang nagpapakita kung paano mina ng ginto or sieve ng gold. Sarado Folsom Pro Rodeo, July 3, 4, and 5. Dito, pupunta na kami din Akala ko nga naman ngayon 29, 30 na pala ngayon. Ano kaya ang ticket? Folsom's #1 family event. Anong ticket? Wala lang kaya ticket Featuring mutton busting, patriotic entertainment, flying cowboys, motocross, fireworks, and more. Ang tanong, magkano ang ticket? tayo dyan. This week na yan, this coming week na. Powerhouse State Park. Magkano bayad? Paano ganyan? Ito mo nga yun. Diyan, try mo nga kung gagana. Paano ito? Ayun, hindi. May magnet ah. Tama mo yan. Yun. Yun pala.
Ito para saan to?
Wala yan. Tama?
Yes. It's type of slime.
Ha?
Opposite sa track.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Oh. 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 Opposite ano? Yan. Oh. North and South Pole. Ano ito? Spin the magnet. Spin. Binailaw. Let's go there. Nagbayad na kami ng ano, $10 parking. Susulitin na namin ng ano, ang aming parking na kasi nandito na rin lang kami. Check na namin ang area. Kasi may lake din eh. Sabi ni ate sa reception, wala daw access dito sa lake kasi steep. Tingnan natin kung wala nga. Pero yun, may nakita ng lake oh. Dami na nagkakayak. Yan oh. Ito daw yung ano, lumang powerhouse ng Folsom. Parang walang tao. Cutting edge technology. Noong 1920 siguro. Meron sa lathe machine, tsaka grinder. Ano kaya rin? Transformers?
I don't think we're supposed to be here.
Yeah, mga Transformers. Lalaki naman ang Transformers natin. Hindi na siguro ito nagana. Main powerhouse 1895.
Sarap ng dito.
Tara.
Yung mga laki na
Isang ibon.
So this is all where, so that's where the power comes from.
Ito, malaking powerhouse. Hello. Hi. Can we look around?
Sure, absolutely.
Yeah, thank you. Wow, this is antique, oh. Ito yung lumang powerhouse. Parang ano na yun. Nene, parang we're nag-travel tayo sa time, ano? Oh. Nene, matanda pa to kay tatay eh. Nene, matanda pa to kay tatay. Oo. Westinghouse. Yeah. Yeah. Siguro naikot to. Ang galing, eh. 1895 ito nag-start. Samantalang ang Pilipinas, 1895 eh. Sibat pa yata ang gamit.
And they needed those to make electricity for the magnets to work inside the big generators. Because they need magnets in order for a generator to work. And so they couldn't make solid magnets like the kind you put on your refrigerator. They had to use electromagnets. And so they needed a different generator to do that so that the bigger ones would work. And it was a huge amount. Move it around, you can see it's generating electricity just by moving it. And this is the opposite. So this is the magnet and this is the coil. And you can do the same thing. You can just move it around and you're generating electricity just by moving a coil near a magnet.
Oh, nice.
And that's how the generators work.
Are they, back in the days, are these things spinning? Like,
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah, the outside would spin. No, I'm sorry, the inside would spin. And so the coils were charged in order to make a magnet by these smaller generators. So these smaller generators make these into magnets. So that's those. Try this one. Sure, yeah.
Wow.
So that's an incandescent bulb. And if you flip it over to those, very different in how much energy you use in order to make the light.
easier.
It's much easier. You can try it out.
It's LED.
The LED is much more
Your
efficient.
brother's gonna love this.
Yeah, this is old school.
Old
This is
school,
good.
exactly.
Yeah, LED is better.
It's far more efficient, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
Nice.
Then hard. There you go.
That's incandescent also.
It is, yeah.
What's your name, sir?
Horacio.
Horacio. Marcelo.
Marcelo? Okay.
Jennifer.
Jennifer. Nice to meet you.
Guys, introduce yourselves.
Jaden? Jaden. Jaden. Okay. And your name?
Janine. Janine.
Jenny?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise, thank you.
It's a nice name. Hindi ka, ano ka sa wallet? Oo na, ikaw nakaisip. Ikaw na dyan sa wallet. Dito sa may jar doon, may lalagyan ng tip doon, tip box. Doon sa may sinulatan mo,
Magkano?
$5. May tip box sa tabi na hindi. Yan, palagay nga sa bag ko. Dito, tip box. Ayun, may nagturo sa amin. Ang pangalan niya ay Horacio. Mabait siya. Siya yung parang pinaka caretaker or empleyado ng city dito. So binigyan niya kami ng history tour ng powerhouse ng Folsom. So ito pala yung first sa United States na magkameron ng ganitong powerhouse. Ginawa ito noong 1895. 1895 meron na silang ganito, samantalang ang Pilipinas ay ang ginagawa ng Pilipinas sa atin noong panahong 1895. Naku, katipunero pa, nag-aaway-away pa sina Andres Bonifacio noon. Pero maganda itong lugar nito. In the 1850s. Oh my God. Horacio. Ba yung pangalan ng tour guide Horacio. Horacio P. and Charles E. pioneered the development of ditches and dams. Ayos Ito Folsom Powerhouse, 1895. Earliest electrical plants to generate 3-phase alternating current, AC. Galing Para mga lapid Ito. National Historic Civil Engineering Landmark. Pwede dito siguro marami din nag-field trip ng mga engineering schools. Kasi maganda siya sa school National Historic Mechanical Engineering Landmark, Folsom Powerhouse #1. Oo nga naman. Ma-appreciate ito ng mga engineering students. Kami liliban doon sa kabilang side. '93 pa. May fine daw pagka faster than a walk. Doon tayo, honey, ligo tayo. Ha? Saan kabilang side?
Ano kabilang side? Di ba parang merong mas doon?
Asya, lead the way. Daming paddle boards.
Those ladders look dirty because someone might have eaten them.
Umihi?
They might.
Hindi. Tsaka yan, kahit sila tumaedi yan
What?
Sarap maligo dito. Kahit dito sa kabila eh. Oh. Yun oh. Ha?
Sino parang may mga sand-sand doon?
Di lalakad tayo? Nene, doon gawin natin yung magdadive tayo.
No, you do. Don't even dare think of jumping in it.
Kasi pwede nene, oh.
No, they covered the now.
Hindi, sabi oh, jumping or diving from the bridge. Oh, dito daw. Diga? Wala akong nakitang no.
But it's covered.
Ha?
It's covered. They just wanted to do it.
Hindi, wala
If
eh.
you jump, your bones are gonna crack like a 99,999,000-year-old.
Tingnan na. Bali mga bata din eh. Tingnan natin. Yun oh, Nene, look oh, sila oh. Oh. Oh, tama sila, kuya. There you go. Oh. Nene, si daddy pwede doon, yun oh. Yo! Lagapak na. Yo, pa isa. Nene, kaya ni daddy yan. Oo. Kaya ni daddy Nene yan.
It looks like it's about to.
Kayang-kaya ni daddy. Pero video mo si daddy ha. Ayaw ako ni Nene na mag-dive sa bridge.
Or kuya.
Si kuya ayaw din.
Pero sabi niya, mag-go ahead.
Sabi ni Mrs. Go ahead. Ay parang nananakot eh.
Or maybe she just wants you to make it better.
Hindi na lang.
So,
Next time, Nene.
make sure you bring 10 layers of bubble wrap all
Hindi ko kailangan ng bubble wrap, Nene, kasi si daddy marunong maglangoy. Ganda, oh, ganda dito. Ha? Oo, restaurant. Restaurant yan. Mayroon silang mist. Dito kami sa Natoma Lake. Lake Natoma. Tama ga? Lake Natoma. Ito kasi yung pangalan nito alam ko nanggaling sa lasing.
Tumotoma.
Nato. Nene. Meron daw dito ang tumira dati, 100 years Native Americans. Hindi ka malamig. Oh, hindi man malamig eh.
For me,
Linaw ng tubig oh. Smells like duck na yun eh. Na?
yeah, because I like ducks.
Liligo ka? Nene, liligo ka? Ay, basa mo. Huwag kang babasa. Rin nakakain eh mga.
They're trying to eat.
Ayaw tumawid ng mga bata din. Bibilis nga naman ang sasakyan din eh. Ayun, dito na kami. Pauwi na. Pagod na rin ng mga bata. Kaya kami ay uuwi na sa. Alright, dito na lang. Thank you.